Hey there, let's talk about something often overlooked but incredibly important. Aftercare for anal sex and toys. Taking care of your skin post-anal play can make all the difference in how you feel, recover, and get ready for next time. And that's where Dr. Tush's After Butt Play comes in. In this video, we'll cover the benefits of After Butt Play, how to use it, product features and ingredients, including what makes our hydrogel formula a game changer. Let's dive in. Anal play is fun, but it can also leave the area feeling tender, irritated, or even injured. By taking a moment to apply After Butt Play after anal sex, or by using it in your daily routine, you ensure long-term comfort and protection, so you're always ready for next time. After Butt Play delivers instant cooling and soothing relief, reduces inflammation, relieves discomfort, chafe and itch, and promotes healing for anal fissures, hemorrhoids, and microtears. Its unique formula locks in moisture for healing, giving you the confidence and comfort you deserve.
Using After Butt Play is simple. First-time use may require multiple pumps to activate the hygienic, airless dispenser. Dispense a pearl-sized amount on your finger. Gently apply a thin layer to the affected area. Allow 30 seconds to dry. This forms a clear, silky smooth, breathable barrier. Reapply as needed for continued relief. Pro tip: store in the refrigerator for an extra cooling sensation. Dr. Tush's is committed to providing high-quality, natural aftercare solutions. That's why After Butt Play is all natural, vegan, water-based, pharmacologist-formulated, crafted with FDA-certified ingredients in a FDA-certified lab. Our product is also proudly made in the USA. This lightweight formula absorbs quickly and is silky smooth, leaving no greasy residue or stains, just pure comfort and protection. No compromises, no shortcuts, just high-quality, naturally soothing aftercare solutions you can trust. Because aftercare is self-care. Try After Butt Play today. We put your tush at ease